Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute travel trailers, I want to go over this beautiful Class A motorhome. Let's check out the 2010 Forest River Georgetown 378 TS. This beautiful Georgetown has 3 slides and comes in at 37 foot 6 inches long. It's got a whole bunch of storage underneath all the way around. Nice electric steps. That beautiful wood look with a nice living room table, fireplace, TV out here in the living area, clean cab up front with the electric jacks. Over here we have our nice theater style seating, overhead storage, beautiful countertop space in the kitchen area with a 3-burner stove, nice sink. They all have cupboards. Overhead storage there, master control panel into the big bathroom with the skylight, glass shower doors, beautiful sink, medicine cabinet. Then we're going into that bedroom. This thing has the 3 slides with the bedroom slide back here and all this storage in here with the closets. Here's our second TV. Over here is going to be our toilet. Plenty of room, little window, fan up top. Now into our pantry area. Then one of my favorite things, the 4-door fridge with a water dispenser. Or ice dispenser, one of the two. Haven't played with it yet. Now onto the outside, we have all of our under storage. The awnings, slide topper awnings, rear storage, towing in the back. I believe this thing tows 5,000 pounds. All the access for our propane and our generator. This comes with the Onin 5500. Outside shower and wash station. Propane fill and all the hoses. Plenty of garage storage with pass-through storage. This has a Triton V10 made by Ford, and that is the Class A Forest River. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you want a thorough walkthrough, check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.